What's going on, everybody? Day 10 of Road to Funded. A little late this morning. Market's it's almost 9:40 already, but yeah, we got some key levels marked out up here. I think I'm overall bullish today. Just because we had these lows and now we kind of created a new SMT high right here on the London session. So, or Asian session rather. We took out Asian session low on ES and did not take that out on NQ, and that's some high time frame shit. That's like at least the 1 hour, maybe the 4 hour. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. What the market gives us today. What entries we can find, and yeah, we're gonna try and take a trade. Still haven't had a loss. Kind of secretly hoping for a loss at some point because I really, really, really don't want my first loss to be on the funded challenge. So would love to have a loss soon. We did come up and sweep this 1 hour key level. What's this vertical? Oh, that's the new week opening gap. Swept this 1 hour key level. Thinking we're gonna come down, break out of this new week opening gap, and then maybe find an entry long. But yeah, guess we will. Guess we will see. So I just looked at my phone, and apparently Trump threatened 35% tariffs on Canada. Yeah, that might make the market be bearish today. Guess we will see. That Trump thing might have been right here. Might have been around 8 o'clock last night, but I don't know. Just guessing, because it's a pretty hard dip. Alright guys, so I'm hoping we kind of come down here to sweep this London session low and then look for reversals upwards, but we could also see reversals upwards from taking out this new week opening gap low. So yeah, I'm just basically looking for entries along, and if we can find them, we'll take trades. Alright guys, so we broke through this 5-minute inverse fair value gap to the upside, which is good. We also had this higher high. Didn't sweep London session, but came out of this new week opening gap and started to reverse. We have the order block, 5-minute order block on the NASDAQ with a 5-minute fair value gap as long as this candle doesn't go lower than that wick. And we also have a 5-minute fair value gap as long as this candle doesn't go below this wick and this inverse fair value gap that was taken out. So now we're just really looking for a reversal into something. And yeah, I don't know what I want to take trades on. Maybe I'll just take trades on both. We have a bunch of levels that we can target for or take profits. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright, so that candle did close, creating this beautiful fair value gap, which is perfect. I'd love to see a retrace into it, then go down to the 1 minute, see a break of structure, and take some longs. But we will see. So far, great setup today. Alright, so we are starting to rip up a little bit. We did create a 1 minute fair value gap. If we do see, if we do come back into here, I'm probably gonna take trades because we did technically come into this fair value gap, but not a lot. Come on, I don't want to miss this entry. I just want to see some kind of retrace, and then we're going long. I know it's gonna happen. We just hit this key level again on ES, so hopefully we come back into something. Come on, give me an entry. Don't just keep ripping, just come back and give me an entry. Come on. Another 1 minute inverse value gap. We can come back into either one, I don't care. Or regular fair value gap, rather. Gotta wait super patiently to get this entry, but I also don't want to miss it. So this is world-class shit right here. Alright guys, definitely entered in a little early here. I actually clicked it by mistake, but that's fine. I'm confident. I'm still bullish. And yeah, I mean, I'm okay with it. um maybe not as much profit as we would get, but we're still risking the same amount, and I still would have my stop loss where it is. So I also was scared I was gonna miss it, so I was kind of had my finger on the button, but it is what it is. We'll be all right. I'm really confident in this trade, and I'm gonna set some more take profits when I can find some. We can get rid of ES for now. I do expect us to go down a little bit more before we do end up going back up, but I'm very bullish. Alright guys, so I got this trade all set up. We're just gonna sit here and watch it play out. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Really confident in this trade, good setup. Yeah, let's see what happens. Alright guys, looks like we're rallying back a little bit. Didn't end up being too bad of an entry. We did come back into this 1 minute for Varigraph, so that would have been a better entry, but I mean, my stop loss might have been lower, but that would have been like a ridiculous trade, but it's okay. I'm not complaining too much. Yeah. We will see what happens. Right now we're at a 442 with take profit 2, which is, oh, wait a minute. This isn't right. Yeah, so right now we're at a 4.5 with hitting take profit 2. We have our take profit 1 here. He's in session high. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. Hopefully we play out good, and yeah, we will see. I think once we break through this, what is this? This 4-hour key level, we should be pretty golden up to take profit 1 because of this huge drop that we had overnight. So yeah, see what happens. Alright, we saw this 5-minute candle close. I'm going to move all of my stop losses to break even. Alright, I moved all my stop losses up to this this mark up here, a little bit above where I entered, but that's fine. I don't care. Yeah, we're gonna see how this plays out. Alright guys, little update. We're seeing a little bit of resistance, but that's pretty normal. We've had a lot of positive candles, so it's pretty normal to see a little bit of a pushback, and then should take out these take profits. So I don't see us reversing back down, and if we do, I did move my stop loss, so not gonna lose today, but yeah, hopefully we have a big win. Still love the trade. Probably taking about as long as it should, but feels long for me. Feels like it's taking forever, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Currently up about 1,500. Taking a dip right here. I expect us to create a higher low. Keep going higher. Yeah. All right, guys. Taking a hard dip here. Hopefully we reverse off this. I think we will, but yeah, a little harder than I expected. Down to about 800. Hopefully we take a big reversal off this and go and take our take profits. If not, I might get stopped out here, but I'm actually going to move this stop loss back down to the 775 so we break even instead of taking like $200 profit. Alright guys, so it does look like we got stopped out at break even today, which I am okay with. We were up about 2,000. I'm still bullish on the day, but not willing to take any more trades today, and I was not willing to stay in this trade if it came all the way back down to my entry point. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, so it is what it is. Technically, this is our first loss. But we didn't lose. I mean, we lost $8, but we didn't lose anything significant. Yeah, risk management. I'm happy with that risk management. Maybe this trade goes up and takes both of our take profits, but there's always the chance that it reverses and goes all the way back down and I lose 1,500. So I'm all right with break even. We had a good week. Let's see if we can see the week. Yeah, we did $7,262 this week. Passed our first paper funded. And yeah, we're starting on our next one. Our goal is 169,000. Hopefully we can do 10,000 next week, and our second one will be done. We'll be on to our third, and once we get done our third, yeah, we're gonna do the live thing, try and get funded, and yeah, doing good. Happy that we actually, didn't just go on a winning streak and win every trade. I'm happy to see that. All right, I got humbled a little bit, and we took our stop loss, but yeah, all good. I'm trying to figure out what this reversed off of. There's not really, I mean, there might be, let's see. Yeah, there's like nothing here that it really reversed off of. Yeah, so I'm okay with that. I might post on my Twitter or something if this keeps going up. Or if it comes back down, I might update later, but yeah, 7,262 on the week. Cannot complain. I hope to have a week this good next week. And yeah, no complaints at all. See you guys next week. Appreciate it. Thanks.